Today I'm at St James's Church in Church near Accrington, and this square gravestone is of Joseph Boynes, who was born in 1787 and died in 1861, and he played a big part in Lancashire's Industrial Revolution. And he's buried here with his family and 8 children, and his wife Mary is also buried here with him. 3 of his children are buried here, and his younger son Joseph Boynes also is buried here, and his son played a big part also in Clayton. It was started here as a packer at Church Bank Printworks. It was owned by the Peels, and he later lived at Plaintree House, which was on Henry Street Church. But in 1824 he joined partnership with Frederick Steiner, the big industrialist in the printing dyeing industry, and James Haworth, and they carried on together printing and dyeing until Steiner left in 1836, and James Boynes just carried on printing, but he slowly grew a business, coal mining, and had a stone quarry just down the road here at Copy Clough, with Haworth, James Haworth, until 1847, when he carried on with his sons who were buried here. He had 8 children, and one of his eldest sons, John, carried on the business, coal mining, and when he died in 1861, he employed 344 men, 120 boys in the mines, because in them days they sent young lads into the mines, which was a bad place to work. He had 84 men in quarries. He had 11 men in madder mills, because the madder mill, it was where they ground the madder plants, and the madder plant root gave the red colour in the turkey red dye business, which was a big business then. And he also had 2 other people on farms. He had collieries, stone quarries, chemical works, madder plants, grinding works, dye works, gas works, and farms. When he died, he had a personal estate of £22,000, and he had a real estate of £32,000, so he was quite an industrialist person. He also owned the Oakenshaw printworks at Clayton, as well as locally around here, playing a big part in the industries that was flourishing then. But he pumped a lot of money into this church and parish, and he lived just down the road, like I said, on Henry Street Church. Thank you very much.